Your first step is to make your Korker ribbon or purchase it pre-made. So you can check our video description for links on how to make Korker ribbon, and you can also purchase pre-made Korker ribbon. So cut your ribbon into small pieces. For this 3-inch bow, cut 30 pieces of 2.5-inch Korker ribbon pieces. Be sure to seal your ends. I'm using 5 different colored Korker ribbons, so I'm cutting 6 pieces of each to get 30 total. Have your needle and thread ready. You'll want to have a knot in the end and use a longer needle as well. And then we're going to start by just taking a piece of Korker ribbon and sticking your needle through the center. And then don't pull it all the way through. We're going to get all the ribbon pieces on this one needle. And you can put them on in a certain pattern. Just remember what that pattern is. Okay, once all the ribbon pieces are on the needle, just take all the ribbon in your hand and squeeze it, and then pull the needle through. And then stick it back through again. And then just take a couple stitches in the back and tie off your needle and thread. And there's your finished Korker bow. Isn't that just so easy? And now all we gotta do is just add a clip. Okay, then turn it around and your clip or your bow is all finished. And one more optional step that you can make is to spray it with Stiffen Stuff. And what this will do, it will just help your bow hold its shape. Korker bows are super fun and can go with any outfit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out our other videos on how to make Korker ribbon and how to line a clip. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun videos.